It should be going live, not recording.
Daddy, you going live.
Yeah, there you go. You're going live now.
Girl is pregnant. They trying to get her to the police boat. This is on our front porch of our apartments.
What is they doing?
Oh, dang, her water broke.
Water broke.
Wow.
Oh my God. Yeah, they're gonna have to send a
Oh, that's
chopper.
a mini short. Yeah, Mama. It didn't look like that.
What's on my umbrella? Where my umbrella go?
I see why they was tripping in. I thought they was just saying she was dilated to a tooth. They said her water broke at 4 o'clock in the morning.
Oh shit, she gonna have that baby on the way. Here's the clan. Everybody say hi.
Hi.
We're safe.
Yeah.
Look at Khalil to my eye.